Oh, shut your mouth. That's right, nephews and Neffs. Today we got that Popeye'S style chicken sandwich. Spicy, Angry Bird. Oh! Kick back and watch nephew show you how it's done. Ooh. First, you want to take buttermilk, hot sauce, and a tablespoon of cayenne pepper and give it a nice quick whisk in a bowl. Then you want to get you 2 chicken breasts, pat them things dry. Submerge them boys in a bowl like that. Let them marinate, refrigerate for a few hours, maybe 4. Then you want to get your spice blend cracking. We got 2 tablespoons of poultry seasoning, 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of accent, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then you want to take your seasoning blend, give it a nice whisk, just stir them up, mix them up, take your bowl, shake it, however you prefer. And for the spicy mayonnaise sauce, me personally, I use a ½ cup of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of hot sauce, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and like a 1/4 cup of red wine vinaigrette, and mix it down. Self-rising flour. You're gonna take and mix it with a little cornstarch. Give it a nice stir. Take the bowl, shake it and whatnot. Then what I want to do is, after I remove my chicken, the buttermilk and that hot sauce, that cayenne pepper we mixed earlier, we're gonna take and pour it in there. Just a few drops, not too much to, mush up the flour and the seasoning mix. Everything we combine just to make some nice clumps. Get it nice and clumpy. That way, when you take it and bread it with your chicken and you bring it out and fry, you're gonna have a real nice crispy piece. That's what I'm talking about right there. Now look at that. Look how crispy that is. You can tell how crispy it's gonna be before we even drop it in that hot stuff. Yeah, get you 2 of them brioche buns. Take some of that spicy mayo sauce we made earlier. Pour it down, spread it out. Just preferably the bottom, because we're gonna put some on the top of the chicken. That'll coat the top pretty nice. After that, you get your deep fryer preheated to 350. I personally use canola oil and let that chicken go for about 8 to 10 minutes. Kind of want to shake the basket a little bit to not get any of the batter or whatever mix you use stuck to it, and just let it do its thing. Then under your bread, you don't gotta add lettuce or tomato or pickle like I did, but you just let that sauce just fall all down in there like that. Look at that. Ooh, all down the side a little bit. Commercial mouth. I just want to slide down just one little notch. Look at that. Boy, it's truly beautiful, baby. Yeah. Then after that, we take it and cut that mug in half. And you might as well call your mama, because somebody about to get slapped. Cook with your nephew. It's been real. Till next time. Ooh-wee.